In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT write shorter responses. If you've ever asked ChatGPT a simple question and received a long answer when all you wanted was something quick and easy to read, this is going to help. The key is to be more specific about the kind of length and format you want, because clear instructions usually lead to much more concise answers. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use clear length instructions. Instead of asking for a general explanation, tell ChatGPT exactly how long the response should be. You can request a specific word count, a sentence count, or even a very simple format. For example, you might say, "Explain this topic in 50 words or less." That kind of prompt gives a clear limit and helps prevent overly detailed replies. You can also ask for a 2-sentence summary, a 1-paragraph version, or a short answer only. The more direct you are, the easier it is for ChatGPT to match your expectations. Another effective method is to request simplified formats. If paragraphs feel too long, ask for bullet points instead. You can also ask for key takeaways only, which encourages ChatGPT to focus on the most important information and leave out extra explanation. It also helps to limit the number of examples or supporting details. For instance, you could say, "Summarize this article into 5 bullet points." That tells ChatGPT not only to shorten the content, but also to organize it in a compact and easy-to-scan way. If the first answer is still too long, you can refine and shorten the response even further. This is especially useful when you already have a draft and want a more concise version. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the content more briefly, remove repetition, and keep only the main points. This works well for presentations, captions, summaries, or social media content where space is limited. A helpful example would be, rewrite this response in half the length while keeping the main points. You can even follow up again if needed and ask for an even shorter version. The overall idea is simple. If you want shorter responses, guide ChatGPT with precise instructions, simpler formats, and follow-up requests that reduce length. When you clearly define what short means for your situation, the output becomes much more useful, focused, and efficient.